Hello YouTube, I'm back again with another toy video and this is all about Brum the little yellow car. Now, do some of you maybe live in the UK even know Brum? This guy's a little yellow car. You probably might be able to see this one in my first videos on the YouTube channel. He saw how I took this one outside in my back garden. This is a remote control Brum. I don't know what scale this one is, but underneath it's labelled and none of you can see the writing, and it says Brum copyright and TM Ragdoll Limited 1989 to 2006, made in China. And there's an address there, Mega Gain INTL Limited. Now, make sure if you don't know Brum, you are going to say, who is this guy? He was from the BMW i8 along with other cars that were prominent in the world. And Brum is a little yellow vintage car. He's smaller than other cars in real life. He actually is smaller. I went to Hot in Holiday Inn with that, and I got photos of him because I went to Hot in Holiday Inn Cotswolds in Birmingham, which where Brum was filmed. Like you know. Then my mum's saying, let you sing and like to watch this TV show. I'm like, no, this is not as fun as Thomas the Tank Engine and Friends. This TV show, Brum, was made by the Ragdoll Productions and BBC. And Brum is a little young car who likes to go on big adventures. Cotswolds in Birmingham. From those bank robbers too. This was the only thing for a remote control Brum. He likes to go on lots of adventures. This was the only thing. I got it from my childhood. These could be worth money to help me buy another one. The only thing you have a remote control Brum. Tell me, this is an old toy. You don't think you can find this in toy shops anymore, but if there's anywhere else, collectible stores or car boot sales, you could check them. Remember the last week, the Chuggington interactive trains I got from a thrift store at the Fairhill Shopping Centre. Brum is a little yellow vintage car. You know he belongs to Ragdoll Productions. This TV show, Brum, was based in Lost in 7 class car, convertible with, oh, I think he's modified with yellow rims. And inside of Brum, he has got red seats, a steering wheel, gear stick, dashboard, and a glove compartment and wipers in his windscreen. Apart from fact, in the windscreen, it's got the little thing there that's slightly cracked. It is. He has got very cool wheels. He's walking along. Brum can change direction. Brum is a little yellow vintage car. He's black and white. And this is a good remote control Brum. Okay, and I'm going to do it like Brum is he. Start a handle. This was the only thing, like, he like crank and he can like start up. This was the only thing that he only had keys. So he needs to put the key right next to the steering wheel inside the dashboard. Turn that on, then Brum would start up. But no. Also, he has a license plate that reads Brum. Nice smile on his grill. Brum is black and white. He has got the little radiator cap with the headlights, like on my moon. I might do a size comparison in a bit. Okay, hang on. Okay, hang on, everybody. I'll go get one of my other cars right now. I have Lightning McQueen. Here he is. Alright, there's a grey Lightning McQueen in black and white. Okay, here we go. Here's a die-cast Lightning McQueen. This is 155 scale compared to, and this is how big the Brum car is compared to. Okay, I'm going to fit Lightning McQueen inside the interior of Brum. So if Lightning McQueen wants to go for a ride, he can. Give him a rest from his tyres. And what if Mac's not available? Lightning McQueen is grey, like a rock. That's kind of a boring colour for him, isn't it? Brum is a little yellow vintage car. Brum belongs to Ragdoll Productions and BBC Worldwide. I'll check my drawers for a bit. Okay, hang on, everybody. What's that in there? What is this one called? I don't know. This is a Golden Bear friction powered Brum. When I There we go. It's just like the way he starts up. This one also is powered by a remote control. This big one. I'll show you what's this. So, the remote control here needs one 9-volt battery, and the car needs 4 AA batteries, which are not included, so I'm sorry to say what may not be. This one also is kind of used, but it's in pretty good condition. You might not know cars as these remote control cars work, so, and it is like a very cool feature as when I move Brum, his rear wheels can rotate. He rocks around like in the real Brum. He's driving in slow motion. And that is a very cool thing, like a remote control Brum. He looks like he's got like a little aerial sticking up. That was a very cool thing when I used a lot of black tape before I could try to move this. Let's watch it like this. Look at that aerial, it's moving back and forth. And Brum is a little yellow vintage, you know, he's got like the little thing and windscreen, because as you can see right here, and also I can't open the doors, sorry thing on Brum. I think Brum's doors don't open, they're welded shut. You can open them. You can store the pieces inside below the remote control Brum, because that's where the batteries are. Brum is a little yellow vintage car. He goes along with other characters on CBeebies iPlayer. It was based on the episode things. It was a very cool thing with lots of other characters that we know of, like Bob the Builder. Nothing, it's sad, but I may have to buy a replacement of Brums. Kind of sad about that. I may have to buy a replacement of other remote control Brums in Amazon. Brum is black and white. And let's go to the back of Brum. He has a spare tyre. So as you can see right here, it spins like a clock. Yes, it does. And Brum has got a crankshaft on the front, and he has got things on the front of him. And it looks like there's Brum's bonnet ornament on the top, so as you can see right here. Now let's start his engine. Listen to his engine. It sounds like a triggerfish underwater. There we go. That was the first remote control Brum. He was at the Cotswold Motor Museum, and that is the remote control Brum finished. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. You can find similar videos for each and every remote control Brum on our website. Thanks for watching. Bye!